The structure of our solar system begins here, with the mighty Sun. Its blazing surface emits immense light and heat, and its magnetic field drives the solar wind, a stream of charged particles flowing across billions of kilometers. The reach of the Sun is vast, and we'll see just how far it extends as we continue outward. Here we see Mercury, the smallest and closest planet to the Sun, completing its orbit in just 88 Earth days. Next is Venus, cloaked in thick clouds that trap heat so effectively it becomes hotter than any other world here. Then comes Earth, our one and only home, the beautiful cradle of all known life. After that, we see Mars, the red planet, accompanied by the Tesla Roadster, drifting through space as a modern time capsule. Beyond Mars lies the Asteroid Belt, a region of rocky fragments left over from the planet's formation. Here lie Vesta, the second largest object in the belt, and Ceres, the dwarf planet that dominates this region. Past the asteroid belt is the realm of the gas giants. Here is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Here is Saturn, the beautifully ringed planet whose icy bands stretch hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Now we approach the ice giants. Here is Uranus, the tilted planet, wrapped in pale blue haze. Followed by Neptune, the windiest and most distant planet from the Sun. But the Sun's reach still extends further. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a donut-shaped region of icy bodies from about 30 to 50 astronomical units from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit, or AU, is the average distance from Earth to the Sun. Here we find many dwarf planets, including Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris, and hundreds more awaiting official names. This region, like the asteroid belt, is thought to be leftovers from the early solar system. Next, we enter the Oort Cloud, a vast spherical shell of icy remnants extending roughly from 2,000 to 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun. This is the source of long-period comets, which take hundreds or even thousands of years to swing by the Sun. Beyond the Oort Cloud lies the edge of the Sun's influence, known as the Heliopause. Here, the outward pressure of the solar wind meets the forces of the interstellar medium, the gas and dust that fill the space between stars. Voyager 1 crossed this boundary in 2012 and continues to travel through true interstellar space. Out here, we stand at the threshold between our solar system and the vast ocean of the Milky Way. Stars, colossal clouds of gas and cosmic dust, weave through the galaxy, far beyond anything our planets have ever seen. Our place in this immense expanse may be small, but I'm forever grateful to experience and attempt to comprehend the beautiful infinity that is space. Thank you for being here with me. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like, a comment, or share it with other curious minds. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. One final announcement. I recently released a debut song with my brother, and will soon release our next single. If you'd like to dive into more of what I do creatively, I've linked the single here, and it's also on all streaming platforms. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for sticking with me this far. Until next time, take care.